Hello everyone, I'm Joe Bishop Backwoods Survival. Today I'm making slingshot ammo. I'm using a, this is a socket. Regular socket goes on a ratchet. This is 10mm. I've screwed it to this piece of wood with just a wood screw. You can see the wood screw in there. And all you do is you take your smelter and your ladle, or if you got an automatic one. Set it down. This one here is actually 5/8. I got different sizes for different things. This is 11/32, 11/32. Fill it up to the top. And this is a 1/4 inch. This is the smallest one I make so far, and it's the hardest to get right because it don't take a lot of lead, and you got to figure out how much lead you're gonna put in there. As you can see, I overfilled that one. I'll just remelt that one, or I'll shoot it, whatever. But really, this is what it looks like when it comes out of my mold. And you can see that's where the screw is in there. That's the screw head. And it don't affect the flight of the ammo. Looks like that. And everybody thinks that, hey, it's hard to get out of there. I'm gonna set this off to the side so it don't. I take my piece of railroad tie. I just whack it a couple times. There it goes. Comes up. Like if you have a bunch of these set up, old sockets that you don't use anymore, you can turn them into a slingshot mold. You can also use it for that's the 3/4 inch right there. That make a good buckshot mold for shotgun shells. Or if you went smaller, you know. Not sure, but that probably fit in a 410 for a 410 slug. Or you could use it for black powder. Not saying what kind of shot results that you're gonna get out of it, but you know, in them situations when you don't have the right tools, but you can come up with something close, and that's all you got. You know, that's part of being a backwoodsman, survivalist, whatever you want to call it. I ain't got my lead pot turned on. As you can see, it don't take long. It don't take long to make these. That's because I poured it in pieces. As you can see, it don't take long to make you some slingshot ammo. And my daughter look at my catch box over there. This is my slingshot right here. It shoots good and fast. This is a 10mm right here. No, this is 5/8. This is 5/8 right here. Now I'm just hitting underneath my target barely. I'll get it up here in a minute. There we go. I'm Joe Bishop, Bishop Backwoods Survival, and that's how you cast slingshot ammo with a socket. It's pretty simple. You want to try to do it in a ventilated area. You can see I'm wearing a dust mask. This probably ain't the best one. I probably should have one, a rebreather on, but I don't today. It's pretty windy. So I'm Joe Bishop, Bishop Backwoods Survival, and go out there and practice your skills. Y'all have a good day.